Ever finish a delicious meal and immediately reach for an ice cold drink? It feels refreshing, right? But what if I told you that for over 2,000 years, an entire system of medicine has warned against this? This is one of the first things you will learn in traditional Chinese medicine. Avoid cold drinks, especially with meals. Today, we are diving into the ancient theory and the surprising modern science that explains why. Stick around, because the evidence might make you rethink your drink order. In TCM, your digestive system, especially your spleen and stomach, is seen as an energetic cauldron. It needs a strong digestive fire, or yang qi, to break down food and extract nutrients efficiently. When you drink cold water, especially during or after meal, it's like pouring ice on that fire. The body has to expend extra energy to warm everything up, which weakens digestion. According to TCM theory, this can lead to symptoms like bloating, gas, and poor nutrient absorption over time. It's believed to block the flow of qi, or life force energy, in the stomach, spleen, and kidneys. But is there any scientific proof? For a long time, this was considered ancient wisdom with little Western scientific backing. But recent studies are starting to change that. Let's look at the evidence. A 2019 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition put the theory to the test. Researchers had a group of healthy young men drink 500 milliliters of water at different temperatures: -2 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, and 60 degrees Celsius before a meal. What they found was fascinating. The men who drank the -2 degrees Celsius cold water ate 19% less than those who drank body temperature water, and a whopping 26% less than the hot water group. But why? Using ultrasound, the scientists discovered that the cold water significantly slowed down gastric contractions. In other words, their stomachs weren't moving as much to digest the food. This directly supports the TCM idea that cold dampens the digestive fire. And this isn't a one-off finding. An older classic study from 1988 in the journal Gut found that exact same thing. They gave volunteers a radio-labeled drink at 4 degrees Celsius and found that the initial rate of gastric emptying was significantly slower than with a body temperature drink. They even correlated the slower emptying rate directly with the drop in stomach temperature. So, what does this mean for you? While an occasional ice drink isn't going to cause major harm, if you experience digestive issues like bloating or discomfort after meals, you might want to try switching to room temperature or warm water. Traditional Chinese medicine isn't just about old tales. It's a complex system of medicine built on thousands of years of observation. And as modern science shows us, sometimes that ancient wisdom is more accurate than we think. What are your thoughts? Have you noticed a difference when you drink cold versus warm water? Let us know in the comments below.